Experiencing a no signal message from your Lorex camera system? This typically means the video isn't being transmitted properly from the camera or NVR to your display. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the Lorex device and your monitor or TV. Try a different HDMI port on your display and test with a known good HDMI cable. Version 2.0 or higher is recommended. Confirm your Lorex camera or NVR is powered on with a stable 12-volt DC power supply. If using an HDMI splitter, ensure it's powered. Next, verify the display resolution is compatible. Try switching the Lorex output to 1080p in the Lorex app or NVR settings to rule out 4K incompatibility. Outdated firmware can also cause display problems, so update your Lorex system's firmware via the Lorex app or web interface. Following these steps should resolve most no-signal issues with your Lorex camera system. If basic troubleshooting fails, reset the HDMI output via the Lorex app's diagnostic tool. A resolution mismatch is often the culprit. Consider using HDMI extenders for long cable runs to maintain signal strength. For persistent issues, a factory reset of the Lorex NVR might be necessary. Consult your product manual for steps. To prevent future no-signal issues, ensure proper cable routing to avoid damage and proactively update your Lorex firmware through the app or website. Statistics show 45% of display issues are HDMI related, but regular maintenance and user awareness can significantly reduce these problems. Using certified accessories can improve stability and avoid issues down the line. Lorex is integrating AI-based troubleshooting to improve the user experience. In the long term, consider wireless display solutions that are becoming more mainstream.